Howdy, hotties! The best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world!
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show! Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic. Bam, bam.
Bam Bam!
Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khushamdeed.
Assalamu alaikum.
Sat Sri Akal.
మీకందరికి వందనము
Jai Swami Narayan.
जय श्री कृष्ण
Indra.
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं याली मदद
मोनाली बता सारे फीजी बातों को बोलेंगे नीसा बुला बटजन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैं से फालतू बाबा
and of course self फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो that's gonna make it totally exciting and totally mastani and it's the last Monday for year 2020.
And of course, Bajan, sometimes, for some actually it has been a very hard year, yes, and some of us actually has been like a kind of year. And whatever it is, but I think today's show is going to be trying to refocus our emotions in a positive way
Right.
towards the year. Because, yeah, वैसे भी चल रहा है, it's going off. Like 2 days will be the New Year's. Yeah, 2-3 days.
That's actually true,
2-3 days will
Alvaro.
be-
Oh my
By
God.
February, by Friday, this will be in the New Year's, right? Aren't we?
That's true.
Yeah, many things have been changed. Many things have changed. 2020 perspective to us. And आज हम लोग क्या करने वाले? We actually are going to be trying to see if we can actually bring out a memorable Monday today, where we're talking about how this year has in some way found a positive memory for us. Something which is positive in the whole year. Right?
Yeah, what are some positive, memorable moments of this year for you?
Yes, I know it's going to be hard to find. Yes, close family members actually have, so the COVID situation, we know that, and many people actually have been through tough times because of the fact that they got hospitalized for COVID, right? And many people actually have also been impacted economically. When I say economic, I'm talking in terms of economics of the family. Like, the main breadwinner losing job is not easy, but it's hard, and we know that, right?
Yeah.
And see, thing is, we know even a lot of positives came up also in terms of, how the 4 years have been really bad. The fourth year was so bad that they actually had to finally flush out what was there in the swamp, right?
Right.
Well, still can't clear the swamp. Swamp is a swamp now, but sometimes कीचड़ में कवल उग जाएगा. लेकिन so we have next year we have Kamala coming in the swamp. So we don't know what she's going to do. Whether she's part of the swamp, what's going to happen, we don't know. But anyway, but for now, let's not worry about the future. Celebrate what was in the past and learn something from it, and try to smile if possible in the present, right? And see if you're alive right now, you're breathing, you're actually to wear a mask and walk around, or whatever it is, right? Be thankful for something, right? You got to give thank your blessings and everything.
Yeah.
And that's why today's show is all very important for us to be able to wrap up the year 2020 and move out of our memory, right? And say, okay, you know what? Filed, sent out. Yes, okay. Something positive came out. We're happy with it.
Yes,
And,
exactly.
To me personally, Fatwani, I've had a lot of wins this particular year.
Oh.
This year has been a lot of wins for me personally. So I will talk about those also. If at all you want to join us on this particular show and share with us your viewpoint about the year, give us a call 408-912-2479. And Larry, hi, how are you doing, Larry? Oh my God, after a very long time, Larry, where you should actually give us a call sometime. Thank you for tuning in.
We would love to hear from you.
Yeah.
Is this Larry Walling? You're
Yeah,
talking
Larry
about?
Walling.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
So long.
Good well-wishers of the show, and also who we have met, some time ago. Very nice person. And yeah, unfortunately, the whole year we could not meet him because of the fact the COVID situation and everything.
It's been so long. Oh, my
Yes.
goodness.
And thank you, and everybody out there or tuning into us on Facebook right now. Thank you so much for that. So yes, if you're listening to us right now in the radios, it's probably because thanks to the Radio Mirchi adding us on there. Anyways, Banujan, you can go check it out. Radio Mirchi is on 1310 AM and also 92.9 FM, Banujan.
Yeah.
And yes, if you are actually you're driving somewhere out of this particular Bay Area, and oh my God, signal is losing out. I still want to stay with you guys. What should I do? What should I do? All I request you to download the app called Radio D Hotties, absolutely free, but and you can actually find it on the iOS and also on the Android platform. It's a homegrown app, so of course, but it doesn't have all the bells and whistles. But anyways, Christmas is over, so no bells and whistles.
It's okay. It's okay. We can Christmas all year, Altama. That's the whole thing. It's not just about Christmas time where it's a Christmas spirit,
Yeah.
right?
And right now, Baja, we have a caller on air. Let's go to them. Hi, welcome to the Memorable Monday show on the Pam Pam. Who's this?
Pam Pam,
Ho ho, Pam
Pam,
Pam.
how you doing?
I'm doing great, and the best things about this lockdown is I have become a regular of the Behavior Pop-Up show and the EDC. I would sit sometimes again for something, but I would see 90% I would make it, but there was a 10% that I would miss out. And definitely I would get up at 9:30 and say, okay, I'm going home because I need to get the kids home. But this virtual and online, one thing made me is more connected to you guys, and you guys have been really a great strength because I really look up to Saturdays. But there is something, there's a hope. It's okay, it's easy to head.
Hey, thank you so much. Megha, you know what? Today is something very special for us because after a very long time we're getting to hear your voice on Pam Pam.
I know, otherwise we'd get it.
I knew I had some shows to run and I generally do it in the morning, but today I said, okay, no, let me do it too. When Pam Pam is coming, otherwise मेरा मिस हो जाता है, तो काम में लगे रहते हैं.
I know.
Because everybody sitting at home, it's like we have been working 24/7.
Yep.
Almost. So I only now take everybody knows that Saturday there is not available, but otherwise everybody calls me left, right, center. But today so मैंने सोच के रखा था कि आज मुझे टाइम ऑफ चाहिए, मैं इस टाइम पे लूँगी तो आप लोगों का शो सुन सकते.
Wonderful, thank you. And you know what? She started running the show today by saying that something positive she looked forward to in this 2020 was the Geet Mala, right?
Yes, and no, one of the biggest things she said for her was she would occasionally to Beria Bakbak, even though despite her best efforts. But this year 2020, she has been a regular and she's actually spearheaded a lot of the off-air Geet Mala initiatives as well. So we are actually blessed. To have bandhus like Megha, and we're so glad. Thank you so much. It is our blessing that we were able to make this happen, the COVID Creativity Initiative, as Altu calls it, as how to find ways to be able to connect. And an important thing during adversity is when community comes together. And that's something that we're very proud to say. A lot of people were like, oh, radio doesn't really has it, it's dying because people are not on the roads, and there are some channels which rely hugely on music. I'm talking about mainstream as well. But the channels that have worked on community and on community building, and our bandhus and the people who have stood up and stepped up like our bandhus, we've actually been able to sustain through this time. So really means a lot to us. The community is only by every member of the community, right? So.
And thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Megha. And we look forward to seeing you on Geet Mala on Saturday.
Definitely.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you.
bye.
And of course, I'm not kidding. We actually had a wonderful Geet Mala on this Saturday as well, 2 days ago. Very interesting. If you want to join and get more information about that, go to our Facebook page, Radio D Hotties. You can find links to this particular page called Geet Gata Chal on Radio D Hotties. Actually get information on there as well. But right now, I'll tell you what, 2020 was also a challenging year for the Indian cinema as well. It's not only us. See, I'll tell you, Indian cinema is so interconnected with our lives. One, we draw what you call inspiration, or should I say, we draw from the media. When I say media, I'm talking about the industry itself for our well-being, because we feel happy when you watch movies, right?
Right.
And in turn, they exploit us for charging us high prices when you go to theaters. That's a different issue. But the thing is, even that particular industry got affected very big time.
Right.
It was a pandemic, and you should know that when an industry like a movie industry shuts down, thousands and thousands, lakhs, or millions of people are going to be out of jobs.
Correct.
Right? But yeah, when you actually came to know one thing, I'll tell you, Faltwani, humanity won. Right? I was reading a very interesting article the other day about the pandemic and how it was actually no, it was not an article. It was actually an interview which is going on, a discussion on one of the on NPR I suppose, about the virus which we call as COVID virus. It should be considered as an entity. Though it is microorganism, but still, like it actually is it's an entity, right?
Correct.
And how the entity spread.
Oh, wow.
Exploiting our what we as human beings, as a single unit, have been weak on.
Which is communication.
Responsibility to each other.
Oh, wow.
If you look at it that way, that's what I felt.
Oh,
and
my God.
I do the fact that we actually were so disconnected from each other that it actually had to bring us together. To fight a particular adversity, we had to come together.
Right.
I don't see that, but I don't know what else you see, because we had to come together as one unit to start masking and trying to keep the virus from spreading together. So it actually forced us to work together when we all working as separate entities, right? So which I think was one of the positives I take from this particular year. ऐसे ही अगर आपको शेयर कर कीजिएगा 4089122479 4089122479. I talked about Indian cinema having tough times. There were very few movies released in the first part of the year only.
Yeah, January, February, March seems like a lifetime ago.
Yeah.
But let's tell you, Banajan, that there's one song, especially given what Megha just shared with us, right, Altu Baba? There was a movie that came out which many people may not have seen because it is, Saif Ali Khan is not that bankable a star, right?
Yeah.
Many people are like, "Arey, Saif ko kaun jaake dekh?" It's a really good movie, and what I liked about a set of movies that came out this year, it focused on the parent-father-child relationship. So
Nice.
this particular movie again is a movie called Jawani Jaane Man. In that there's a song called Bandhu Tu Mera. It's a beautiful song. We'll play you some more songs from that movie, but here is a really beautiful song that kind of resonates everything that Megha said. So Megha, this is out to you and every single who has stood by us to make this year memorable. So Bandhu Tu
खुद गर्जियों से भरे आजा लम्हे चुरा ले सब कल की करे हम क्यों फिरे साथ लम्हे बिता ले अभी ना करे कोई वादा ना थोड़ा ना ही ज्यादा आना है तो आजा क्या है सोचता ओ बंधु तू मेरा मेरा है तुझसे दिल का वास्ता तेरे संग होने से I'm always happy, happy, happy ओ बंधु तू मेरा मेरा तुझसे दिल का वास्ता तेरे संग होने से I'm always happy, happy, happy happy, happy. Happy. बाटे खुशी गम की डगर साथ रोए हंसे ऐसा अपना सफर ओ बाटे खुशी गम की डगर साथ रोए हंसे ऐसा अपना सफर बेढंगियां बदमाशियां साथ होने से लगती सही है मगर है गाना में अपने कई फसाने आ गाए मुझके गाने क्या है सोचता ओ बंधु तू मेरा मेरा है तुझसे दिल का वास्ता तेरे संग होने से I'm always happy, happy, happy. Oh, बंधु तू मेरा मेरा है तुझसे दिल का वास्ता तेरे संग होने से I'm always happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy. Happy, happy.
And of course, Bajan, happy. This came out somewhere. Wasn't it somewhere in January released, Faltoni?
Yes, Alta Baba, it was January. If you remember, the song was on our top for a while, and then this song came out, and then we went and we saw the movie actually.
Yeah.
Remember, this is around the time that we were watching almost every other weekend we were watching a movie.
Yeah, but I thought that there was no movies churned out. There were some movies, but compared to the previous, not many movies released. In fact, this particular movie came out somewhere in January. Along with the people, other things released along with that were things like the not very big movies to talk about. Pagle Azam. There was some movie called Jai Mummy Di.
Oh yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
hey, one more interesting movie released that time in the month of January. Guess
Huh.
which one?
In the month of
Well,
Jan.
actually, I should not be telling you that way because many interesting movies. January, we didn't thought it'd be a big thing in the month of January. Remember?
Well, in January, Altu Baba, I'm talking about memorable moments, right? This year has been filled with memorable moments for us.
Uh-huh.
Even despite the pandemic, that's right, Banujan. They may not have been, moments of pleasure, but definitely there were good things that happened in 20.
Yeah, like for instance, in month of February, right? We had our
Pati Patni or Wo.
Pati Patni Award 2020. Maybe just caught it before the pandemic thing, the shutdown thing came in. It was a super duper success. 2020 was a super success for us.
Yeah, actually, it was, the first quarter was, but Altu and myself had a feeling. Remember, in end of January, February, we had a feeling there's something going on. There's something we sort of foresaw that there are issues that are happening with the world. For some reason, we had this, intuition, or what do you call? Because we've been out there, we're meeting people, we're talking to people, we're finding out. And it just started to dawn upon us that, there are people getting sick around us.
Mm-hmm.
And, you remember how terribly ill I was?
Yeah.
For the first couple of months, really ill. And we were like, okay, you know what? Hope this is not going to turn into something so serious. And before we knew it, we blinked out right after our Valentine event. Just a week.
Yeah.
Word broke that, that we're in a pandemic.
That's true.
Yeah.
Well, but I'll tell you what, the post whole pandemic thing, right? Movies came out.
Right.
One of the things which I actually liked was that I would say this is pretty much a milestone. And after a very long time, Hindi movie with visual effects in it.
Right.
You know which one I'm talking about?
Which one?
Saif Ali Khan ki movie bat ki na?
Huh.
Saif Ali Khan is there in this movie. Tanaji.
Oh, yeah. This
And-
came out this year?
Yeah, it came out in January.
Wow.
And of course, but this is Ajay Devgan production and very nicely done. In fact, I like the fact that this was one of the milestone movies when it comes to CGI from Indian cinema. So I think it'll be one of those, it'll be a starter for CGI movies from India. And listen to the song, I'll be back right after this. And aaj, of course, talking about the memorable Monday, but like memorable moments of 2020, Banujan. Give us a call, 408-912-2479.
Shankarare, 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 Shankara. Shankarare, 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 Shankara. Shankarare, 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 Shankara. Guj, 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 dhar pakad. Guj, guj, pakad, pakad, pakad. Shankarare, karare, Shankarare, Shankara. Chant chatur meri khopadi mein rakt ka diya jala. Chant chatur meri khopadi mein rakt ka diya jala. पूछ मेरी चिंगारी है, अकड़ मेरी मतवाली है, नाच गाने तलवारे हैं, बोली में अंगारे हैं। लोमड़ी की खाल लिए शेरों की चाल चला, नौटंकी खेल से टोली का चूल्हा चला। गूंज 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 धर पकड़, गूंज गूंज पकड़ पकड़ पकड़।
लगीन कोंडाण्याचे मावळ्या तुझ्या कोंडाण्याचे आधी लगीन कोंडाण्याचे मावळ्या तुझ्या कोंडाण्याचे
दिल के पट खोल रे स्वामी तेरा आया रे, पाँव में जंग लिए नौटंकी लाया रे, ऊंची है दीवारें कूदने को आया रे, पकड़ 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 शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा चंड चतुर्सी खोपड़ी में रक्त का दिया जला चंड चतुर्सी खोपड़ी में रक्त का दिया जला
And of course, Bachchan, ये मर्द मावड़े का movie जो है ना Bachchan was a good movie, made money for them because the other one did not make much movie. There was very a movie, right?
Right.
Arjun Kapoor.
What was it called?
I forget the name of the movie, but I think we'll know. How old? This was Tanaji. There was something else, right? There was some. God, can you imagine if I already forgotten about it? Anyway, but yeah, that's not much to be talking about rather. And I'll tell you, this was one more thing which is memorable for me, Pathari.
What?
Our step up for Pragya going totally virtual.
Wait, before that, we are still in February, Altubab. Talking about our Pati Patni or Wo.
That was not a virtual.
We didn't talk about what was memorable about that event for us.
Go on, what is memorable, Pathari? Please tell about this.
We've got to tell you, Banajan, ki this Valentine event, and yes, there will be a Valentine event in 2021.
Yeah,
yes.
How, when...
कैसे वो सब बताएंगे आपको you know it was the actual real live event that happened in 2020 which kicked it off for us was our Feb 14th Pati Patni or Wo event, Bandhujan, and it was an amazing success. You know, in fact, thanks to every single bandhu and every single ally who came. If you guys are not familiar with it, we actually do this event as an acculturation activity. Agar aapko samajh nahi, acculturation, very big word. Let me tell you, this is an opportunity where we invite every single you who wants to have a nice, beautiful night of fun and frolic and runs. And we also invite other individuals who have special children who also would love to have that fun, frolic, and unfortunately, due to the fact that they have more challenging lives to deal with, and they are overwhelmed by the fact that their children are different. You know, running between therapies and running between trying to understand how to create and connect with their children, and on top of it, trying to fix their children. A lot of times that happens because people are worried as to why is my not like the other child. Unfortunately, that perspective shifts. It takes time before it happens, where we realize that everybody is beautiful the way they are.
Yeah.
Right? So, वैसे families को भी लेकर and we get these two to come together in an acculturation activity, and our neurodiverse individuals जो different बच्चे हैं, जो different individuals हैं, उनको भी हमारे इवेंट में शामिल होने का मौका मिलता है, and everybody enjoys together, Banjan, and entertainment, खाने की और इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इतनी भी कसर नहीं छोड़ते हम लोग. अमेजिंग, राइट? वी हैव सच अ वंडरफुल टीम, एंड ये बंधुजान को बता दे, हमारा बहुत ही छोटा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है.
कैसे नहीं हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का साइज ऐसा नहीं, दिल से जाता है. exactly. बड़े दिल वाले लोग हमारे टीम जो है हम नहीं करते हैं. एंड आई थिंक फाल्तू नहीं वाई से चीजी वाज द फैक्ट दैट छोटा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैं सब मत बोल, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होता है लेकिन सोच जनरली हमारा बड़ा होता है. एग्जैक्टली. High, it's lofty what we have ideals and everything, but doesn't matter. यार कोई तो रखना चाहिए ना.
No, what I mean is we don't have like a huge staff that put it together and all that stuff.
We're not organization backed by money and all stuff, but
it's entirely bandhus, Bandhujan, who have come together, and allies who come together to make it happen. So this event was a super duper sold out success, right, Baba?
That's true.
The Pati Patni or Wo event, and the Wo factor was the fact that it's that love, the wow factor.
Yeah.
We did many couples rediscovered it at our event, Bandhujan. So that was a really beautiful event that happened.
So you got beautiful Bandhujan, beautiful song from the movie Panga. Music by Shankar Ehsaan Loy, sung by Jesse Gill. He's a singer himself, right? It's called Dil Ne Kaha from Panga, which is released in January.
पहले तुमसे मिली जो निगाहें तो ये दिल ने कहा था, अरे यही तो है वो जिसे ढूंढ रहे थे जज्बात तुम्हारे. चलो शुक्र करो कि जिसे चाहा था आज तेन मिल गया वे.
ख्वाबों की नवाज़िशें हैं, चाहतों की बारिशें हैं, डूब चले हैं जिसमें मैं भी और तुम भी. हल्की सी दीवानगी है, हल्की हल्की मस्ती, दोनों खुश हैं कि देखो अपनी आरज़ू का गुलशन खिल गया है.
And voiced by Aziz Kaur and Jesse Gill.
झुकने लगी हो ना हो ये मोहब्बत है. देखो धीरे धीरे बातों बातों में अब हो गया है कैसा कमाल।
देखो हौले हौले आँखों आँखों में दिल हो गया है कैसा निहाल।
देखो धीरे धीरे बातों बातों में अब हो गया है कैसा कमाल।
And lyrics by Javed Akhtar Saab, music by Shankar Ehsaan and Roy.
रास्ते सहल हो गए हैं सारे तू जो मेरे साथ है।
जगमग पल है जैसे तारे दिन है कि रात है।
तेरे चेहरे की रोशनी से राहें मेरी हो गई हैं रोशन।
हो तेरी खुशबू से महके हैं जैसे हर पल मेरे तन।
कैसा है ये जुनून दिल को दे जो सुकून ना हो ये मोहब्बत है। देखो धीरे धीरे बातों बातों में अब हो गया है कैसा कमाल।
देखो हौले हौले आँखों आँखों में दिल हो गया है कैसा निहाल।
देखो धीरे धीरे बातों बातों में अब हो गया है कैसा कमाल। पहले पहले तुमसे मिली जो निगाहें तो ये दिल ने कहा रे यही तो है वो जिसे ढूंढ रहे थे जज्बात तुम्हारे। चलो शुक्र करो कि जिसे चाहा था आज दिन मिल गया वे।
ख्वाबों की नवाज़िशें हैं चाहतों की बारिशें हैं डूब चले हैं जिसमें मैं भी और तुम भी। हल्की हल्की सी दीवानगी है हल्की हल्की मस्ती दोनों खुश है कि देखो अपनी आरज़ू का गुलशन खिल गया वे।
सांसें रुकने लगी पलकें झुकने लगी होना हो ये मोहब्बत है। देखो धीरे धीरे बातों बातों में अब हो गया है कैसा कमाल।
देखो हौले हौले आँखों में दिल हो गया है कैसा निहाल।
देखो धीरे धीरे बातों बातों में अब हो
And of course, Jan, some of you might not have heard this jam because we're the only station which plays unique songs for you guys. अच्छा लगा ना?
Right.
अच्छा लगा ना?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा।
अच्छा लगा ना
तो,
मुझे?
हाँ।
ऐसे अच्छे गाने होते हैं मुझे। But actually tell you what, the गिने चुने फिल्म सी रिलीज हुए
हाँ।
and उसमें भी गिने चुने मूवीज हमारे जहन में हमारे इसमें रह गए, right?
Right.
This one, Panga was a movie very close to my heart. Very nice movie.
Right.
Kangana Ranaut did a good job actually in this movie.
Right.
And hey, speaking of the next event, which actually was totally memorable for me, I
Huh.
even gave out a little bit of a thing.
You
Here's
did.
what I'll tell you. I'll play a song. You got to tell me which movie actually, could be, I would say, equal to the memory of Step Up.
Uh-huh.
Right? We have an event called Step Up for Pragnya Branjan. I'll tell you what. I'm not kidding. One of the first events to go virtual. You guys can do whatever, or you can claim, oh no, we did, no, you're only later part of the year.
I would go to the extent of saying the first event.
The very first event to go virtual, Patija. I'm not kidding. Thanks to all the wonderful kiddos, we actually have proved that event with the first event to go. With the first event to go Zoom live on Facebook.
Exactly.
And you got to tell us which movie this is. There's no connection between the movie and our particular contest.
Mm-hmm.
Well, yeah, Step Up was a contest for people to step up for Pragnya. So dance on live, radio and also on video, right?
Right, Banajan.
That was the concept of Step Up. It was one of the win for us, actually.
For those of you who don't know, Banajan, April is Autism Awareness Month, but Pragnya has made it Autism Acceptance Month. And this particular Step Up for Pragnya is an event that's spearheaded by the Pragnya Allies.
Yeah.
It's completely put together by kids.
And they started working from February itself, actually.
Yes, and they were really worried as to what are we going to do? Oh my God, this is going to happen.
Yeah.
And during a meeting, we just talked about it, and then the idea just popped that, hey, why not try it as a event?
Only because of the fact that we were already gearing up to be virtual with our shows.
And also our Pragnya sessions.
That's true.
Yeah.
And that's what actually made it happen. And
And you know what, Alta Baba? What
Yeah.
was the iconic thing about this Step Up, Banujan, is it became a dance-a-thon.
Yep.
It didn't become a dance contest. Everybody danced along, including the hosts
Yeah.
of Step Up. We, Michelle and Shreya and I think it was Amrit and Nikhil and Nitin and all these kids who took turns talking, and also Alto and myself, because we had to have one hub from where it was all going, right? The whole thing was
Yep.
streaming. And the best part was grandmothers and grandfathers danced together.
That's true. Families dancing together and sending in information, tuning in to us, they were actually on their place playing. Oh my God, it was awesome actually.
Dads and daughters dancing
Dads and daughters.
together.
So sweet, actually.
Cute.
So sweet, actually.
Yeah.
Now, that was one of memorable moments for us. So, what about you guys? Deepa, hi, welcome to Facebook. And yes, tell us, Deepa, 2020, what was the memorable thing for you? And right now, I have a question for you out there listening to us. ये बताएगा ये कौन सी फिल्म से गाना लिया गया था? 408-912-2479.
Oh, yes. This also came out in 2020.
Uh-huh. Around the same time, Step Up came up, Baljan. Which movie is it from?
आया हूँ आज मैं लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे गालों से जहाँ से मिटा मुकाबला मुकाबला लैला ओहो लैला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला ओहो लैला
The movie, though, was like, oh my God. Worse than 2020.
मैं हुआ तेरा मजनू तू बन जा मेरी लैला आज चलेगा जादू तेरा मेरा पहला पहला
कि ये तेरी बातें करता है मेरा जिया तू ही बता दे सारा क्या है इरादा तेरा
दिल को संभाले तू हीरो मैं ही तो हूँ तेरा
तेरी ही बातों ने तो मुलाकातों ने जीना मुझसे मेरा है जिया
All we asking him, Baljan, कौन से फिल्म का ये गाना था?
ओहो लैला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला ओहो लैला
And music by Tanish Bagchi, Baljan. I know. You guys are thinking about some of the movie. I bet A.R. Rahman music was the one, right? That no?
But it's a sad day for A.R. Rahman sir today.
Oh, really?
Yeah, his mom passed on.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry to
Karima
hear that.
Begum, she passed on. May her soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
But this is well, we're asking you which movie it is. It is a trick question, but you can make out by the way the song starts and all the other effects in between. You can make out that this was rejigged Gana. Obviously, Tanish Bagchi, the king of rejig. आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-249 पे और हमें बताना है कि ये कौन सा मूवी है. ये मूवी देखा? क्या आपको ये मेमोरेबल था?
No,
मेरे
it
लिए
doesn't matter. It's okay. Even if they don't call up and tell us about this movie,
Why, man?
this particular movie, it's still fine. We'll move on further. Na? बहुत सारा यार. We got a lot of things to actually talk about here. We're still stuck in January, February right now.
Yeah.
We got to move forward.
Yeah. No, we're in April. Step Up was in April.
Oh, that's true. Suppose in April. But this particular movie came out in the month of February, something like that.
Right.
Yeah. And yes, okay. Credited by Facebook, by Deepa saying that even she sent an entry. Mom and daughter also danced. Yeah, of course. Mom, kids.
daughter, and son.
Yeah.
And they did, oh my God. They called themselves, well, actually,
Some trio.
the Terrific Trio, it seems.
Terrific trio, yeah.
And it was so cute. They sent in their entry too, Badijan, for the Step Up for Pragnya. So we would love to hear from you. Definitely call in the number is 408-912-2479. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट कर लीजिएगा 0891222479. दीपा जी कॉल करिएगा और हमें बताइएगा. We see your comment on Facebook. We'd love to hear from you as to what was one of the most memorable moments for all 20. We know that 2020 has been a challenging year for many people. We know for our dear bandhus as well, like our dear bandhu Deepa too, it was a pretty challenging year. She lost somebody very close to her heart. But there are, there's always something to look forward to, something that you can hold on to the little joys in your life and move on forward, Bandhujan. And that's what we're asking you to do today. Because वो क्या था तू कुछ बोलता है ना
PRT, positive emotional refocusing.
Nick.
Malab, think of something positive, for the smallest thing. You'll see actually there'll be something to actually be, thankful for.
Right.
And,
So,
yeah.
के बारे में सोच के हमें कॉल करिएगा बंधुजान on 408-912-2479. In general in the world also, तुम्हें याद है जब ये पैंडेमिक शुरू हुआ, लोग बहुत रो रहे थे क्योंकि में इतना हो गया था, that people were quarantined for months at a stretch. But do you remember one thing that we had shared as news on Ning Bay, which was a positive thing that happened? Where ocean wildlife had started to come back, like dolphins and
why even the ornithology wise also, even birds started coming back into the cities, parks and everything over here in the Bay Area.
Not only in the Bay Area, we're talking about the world, Bandhujan. There were people started to see the emergence of marine life. So they started coming into the canals in Italy. They started coming into, you had beautiful ocean creatures that started surfacing. The great part is, in the larger part of the 20th century, tiger population across the world was dwindling, right? Tiger population is now thriving.
Very good.
Right? So something good has come of it. Maybe Mother Nature just said, beep, beep. Reset button.
Probably. And of course, it did reset many of our lives. And that's what we're asking you to call up and share with us if possible. Because we're also going to share with reset our lives.
Right.
Memorable Mondays mein aap logon ka hardik swagat hai Bandhujan. Right now what we're going to do is going to go into a song from a movie which actually was, could have been better. Alternative ending I suppose. Yeah, it's called Shubh Mangal Jara Savdhan. And isme ghete Bandhujan. And this is a song in the voice of Ayushmann Khurrana himself. Tanishq and Vayu's music. Lyrics by तुम्हें मेरे लिए तुम काफी.
जुड़ गई कहानी के जुड़ जाता जैसे दो नदियों का पानी. मुझे आगे तेरे साथ बहना है, जाना तुम्हें तो है ये बात जानी के ये जिंदगी कैसे बनती सुहानी. मुझे हर पल तेरे साथ रहना है, तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी कुछ आधे, आधा आधा हम जो दोनों मिला दे तो बन जाएगी अपनी एक जिंदगानी. ये दुनिया मिले ना मिले हमको, खुशियाँ भगा देंगी हर गम को. तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो. एक आसमां के हैं हम दो सितारे के टकराते हैं टूटे हैं बेचारे. मुझे तुमसे पर ये कहना है, चक्के जो दो साथ चलते हैं थोड़े तो किसने रगड़ने में चलते हैं थोड़े. पर यूं ही तो कटते हैं कच्चे किनारे. ये दिल जो ढला तेरी आदत में, शामिल किया है इबादत में. थोड़ी खुदा से भी माफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो.
For the best in entertainment and the best in music and the hottest tracks ever. You can get it on Radio D Hotties. For more information, go to MediaMahit.com.
Hi, I'm Shekhar Rafjiani. You're listening to me on Radio The Hotties, where entertainment keeps getting hotter, hotter, hotter.
आए बोली ऐसी के टमाटर भी मंगाए दो, लगे जैसे मुशायरों में बैठा सुन रहा हूँ उसको। और आंखें ऐसी के मिलाए जब निगाहें, ये निगाहें डगमगाए, कुछ समझ में भी ना आए दिल को। जैसे मोहब्बत उठी सीने में घुस गई गुप्ती, इस दिल के लड्डू फट गए। हाँ सुलझी थोड़ी जब गुत्थी, ख्वाबों की हो गई छुट्टी, इस दिल के लड्डू फट गए। निकले कोई घर से, छाए बादल ना बरसे, जैसे नोट 2000 के लेकर कोई छुट्टे को दर से। सागर में प्यासा है दिल, भर क्या सकता है दिल, इस दिल के लड्डू फट गए। छोटा सारा सा है दिल, कैसा रुआ सा है दिल, इस दिल के लड्डू फट गए। ऐसी तैसी ऐसी हुई गए, इमोशन का जूस निकला, छापर लगा के घर सजाया, पर कनेक्शन लूज निकला। फ्री में हो गए बर्थडे, जीवन का हैप्पी बर्थडे, इस दिल के लड्डू फट गए। राहों में ऐसे गड्ढे, ढूंढे हैं दिल के हड्डे, इस दिल के लड्डू बढ़ गए। बोली ऐसी के टमाटर भी मंगाए तो लगे जैसे मुशायरों में बैठा सुन रहा हूँ इसको। और आंखें ऐसी के मिलाए जब निगाहें, ये निगाहें डगमगाए, कुछ समझ में ही ना आए दिल को। और जैसे मोहब्बत उठी सीने घुस गई गुप्ती, इस दिल के लड्डू फट गए। सुलझी थोड़ी जब गुत्थी, ख्वाबों की हो गई छुट्टी, इस दिल के
सारा जमाना The Hotties का दीवाना, जमाना कहे सुन लो ये बम्बा मस्ताना। सारा जमाना The Hotties का दीवाना, जमाना कहे सुन लो ये बम्बा मस्ताना। सारा जमाना
क्या आज तू कह रहा है,
क्या फालतू कह रही है,
ये तुम भी आज सुन लो,
रेडियो को ट्यून कर लो,
ये दिल को बहला दे,
रूह को भी शाद कर दे,
जो कभी भी घट ना हो,
दिल में मजा भर दे। सुन लो मेरी बात, सारा हॉटीज का दीवाना, जमाना कहे सुन लो, ये पापा मस्ताना, ये सारा जमाना. खुशियाँ भी साथ लाए,
हर मर्ज की दवाएं,
हर दर्द भी मिटाए.
महिमा से हमने सीखा,
जीने का ये तरीका,
जी भर के मुस्कुराना,
दिल खोल के गुनगुनाना. सीख लो बन जा, सारा जमाना, हॉटीज का दीवाना, जमाना कहे सुन लो, ये पापा मस्ताना, ये सारा जमाना, हॉटीज का दीवाना, जमाना कहे सुन लो, ये पापा मस्ताना, पापा पापा Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Sara zamana.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and purposes only.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly presents Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
नमस्कार
Namaste.
नमस्कार खुश आमदीद
Assalamualaikum.
सत श्री अकाल
మీకు అందరికి వందనము.
जय स्वामी नारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जिनेंद्र
मैं इस्माइल भाबंदों को बोलते याल मदद.
मौलाना मदद बोलते हैं सारे फीजी बंधुओं को बोलेंगे नीसा बुला बंदजान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं सिर्फ फालतू बाबा साथ में है
Myself, Faltu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time show that's gonna make it totally exciting and totally mastani badjani and
it's gonna be make it totally memorable फालतू रानी आज का टॉपिक ही memorable Mondays है
exactly. Well, one of the most important things, Banajan, let's tell you that it is last day of the year.
Oh my God, the way you make it seem like there's not going to be any Mondays. They're abolishing Mondays totally.
There's not going to be any more Mondays of 2020.
2020 अलग बात है यार. Of course, Banajan, yes, closing Monday of 2020, Banajan. Matlab this week will end, 2020 will be done with.
Huh.
And we thought, why should we leave the year with bad memories?
Huh.
Let's leave the year recollecting good memories.
Huh. Well,
tough times are there for everybody. Everybody been tough times. I'm not saying them. I'm not sliding in at all. All due respects and also people who actually have lost more than what they've gained. I understand that also. But again, what I'm saying is that also some gain you can look forward to, right?
Right.
The very fact that we are standing here breathing or whether we are listening to us right now itself is a manifestation of saying that yes, there's something positive in the whole thing, right? It means you're blessed, right? Whichever way you look at it, if you're able to afford to have a roof over your head, yeah, give thanks for that, right? Appreciating what we have is important.
Exactly.
And we are so appreciative. We feel actually blessed every time you guys are tuned in to us. Thank you so much for that, everybody tuning in. I know you're making us part of your life, and that's something which you're opening up to us, and I really appreciate that, Banajan. We will not take that for granted ever.
Exactly.
And right now, speaking of memorable things, we are open the lines for you guys to give us a call here. It might be hard. I don't want to talk about all the memorable things in my life. Why will I do that? We understand that also. right, Falguni? I definitely do understand. If you don't want to share, I do understand. But it sometimes is beneficial when you actually about your life on air. It kind of gives people an encourage to see the positive in their lives. Because sometimes we all, what we actually always take for granted in our community, especially in our South Asian community, the fact that we underestimate mental health. And we think that, okay, having a mental health issue is something looked down upon. No, it's not. Should not be. Everybody's through it. Some people have the resilience to come. People have the support. Some people don't have the supports, right? By actually doing these exercises on air, what we're trying to do, Barujan, is really we actually are trying to see if we can, should we say, generalize or normalize the difficulties in life.
Right.
And also at the same time to tell people that, hey, we're not too different. If you look at it, we are unique, but we're not too different. We all go through stuff, right? And it'll get people to start thinking about the positive, and probably, hopefully, somebody will have a smile and say, okay, it was tough here. But at the same time, this is the positive which I could see in my life.
Right.
It can change people's lives for the gens. Just feel free to call up and share with us what you think is memorable about the year. It's fine. You can say, no, nothing memorable here. Trump lost. What's memorable about that?
Yeah.
Hey, and some people will say, yes, it is memorable. 78 million people will say, yes, it's memorable that he lost.
Well, it is memorable. Let's tell you, Banjan, in two ways. One, the highest voter turnout in election history. People came out to make their voice heard. For a change in America, people showed up. But still, there were so many people who sat at home and didn't go out.
Yeah.
But
go on.
78 million people came out stressed that they wanted change. Much more, about 8 million more people, and the 71 million who showed up for Donald Trump. So it just goes on to say that, your voice matters at the end of the day. At least that's the hope right now, till we turn into a fascist regime. If we do.
I'll tell you what, Valtrani, I'll tell you one thing. I told you, we jumped into the November because actually the election discussion was happening in the mid year already by the time, right?
Yeah.
But there are a lot of things you should actually celebrate about. People like, see, one thing this year, 2020, was a total chakas year for, one person.
Oh, man.
Tiger Shroff.
Really?
He got a super duper hit, man. He actually got the second highest grossing movie.
Really?
In 2020. I'm not kidding. You know the Bhakwas movie called Bhagi 3?
That movie actually made money?
I'm not kidding. It actually made money. My God, Faltari, it is the highest grosser. First, of course, highest grosser movie Tanhaji, which I already predicted about it, right?
Right.
Though it was a very humble thing, the gap is like 200 crores difference. This particular movie, Bhagi 3, for Tiger Shroff, raised around, when I say raised, I'm talking about made around 130 crores.
Well, let me put things in perspective, Altu Baba.
Perspective?
Yeah, this is only because other movies didn't hit the theaters. बाकी के सारे movies OTT platforms पे चले गए, unfortunately. क्योंकि अगर संशि release होता, तो it would have literally mopped the floors with Bhagi 3 and everything. I'm not kidding you. I'm serious.
Yeah, but Suryavanshi is not releasing anywhere this year, right? It's going to be next year only.
I don't know when they're going to release it.
Next year, because they want to have theaters. They want actually people go to theaters and watch it. They know that it's not going to give them enough returns. Because Tanaji also, luckily, release letters were open. Badiya Bachchan, ऐसा भंकस फिल्म में देखा नहीं है, लेकिन उस भंकस फिल्म का एक भंकस गाना सुनते हैं. And actually, this was nice. All Rejig ganas were. Tanish Bakshi told Rejig this particular gana. Any movie. In this movie, all ganas are Rejig ganas actually. Bappi Lahiri Bachchan, Dev Negi and Joyita Gandhi singing in the song for Tanish Bakshi. Ayla, क्या हुआ भाई? Ayla, what happened? Oh my God, let's start. Go on. Yes, I forgive you. Yes.
एक आँख मारूं तो अरे एक आँख मारूं तो पर्दा हट जाए, दूजी आँख मारूं कलेजा कट जाए, दोनों आँखें मारूं तो चोरी बट जाए, चोरी फट जाए, दोनों आँखें मारूं तो चोरी बट जाए, चोरी फट जाए.
And of course, Bachchan, we do have a caller on air. Oh my God, what happened?
I don't know.
आजा मेरी रानी तुझे गले से लगाऊं, व्याकुल जिया मेरा बस ये ही चाहे।
तेरे पास आऊं तो, जो तेरे पास आऊं तो दूर घटना घट जाए ना घट जाए।
दोनों आंखें मारूं तो छोड़ी पट जाए, छोड़ी पट जाए।
Oh my God, but John, every time we talk about Trump, there'll be a Trump supporter coming and giving all kinds of, baseless arguments.
Deepa, 78 million people were not dead people.
No,
so,
no, 8 million people were not dead people.
Yeah, 8 million people were not dead people. Don't worry about it.
Anyway, but it's always better, it kind of tells you one thing, Deepa. It's good, actually, it's good humor to talk about, things like this. Yeah, not get political about it, Deepa, please. It was a fair and square win, means we fine. I know you don't accept it, but it's okay.
Yeah.
But one day, your good things prevail.
Yes,
Yeah, good
absolutely. Well, at the end of the day, one thing that I do want to say about the day is that let's look at, there are many things that you could do a wrap of 2020. A lot of people are talking about, this year, okay, coronavirus kind of eclipsed a lot of things that also happened this year, Banajan. There have been wonderful stories that came about. This is a time when unity came together, where people rallied together. There's some great stories that have come out, Banajan, during this year where, I don't know if you guys heard that story when we shared in Good Morning, where we talked about this this little boy who actually, because all schools closed down, right? So this year, a lot of the seniors, like kids who are graduating this in 2020, right? A lot of them got robbed of their graduation. They got robbed of their proms. They got robbed of their first semester in college experience. Many of them didn't get to experience.
They couldn't even do that particular day. It's very big, right? They get that certification when they wear that particular hat.
They were, the graduation ceremony.
They couldn't do all those things.
They couldn't. It wasn't that pomp, show and splendor was really not there. That whole experience changed because of the coronavirus. But then there was this little 7-year-old boy who, it just shows how little things that everyday individuals like you and me do make such a mountain difference. Because for his babysitter, who was graduating, right? He threw a prom for her, and he was her prom date.
Yeah, so
That's so sweet.
see,
I mean,
Falguni, it doesn't take much to actually reposition your mind.
Yeah.
I know tough times happens. It does, it really is hard. I know people who actually go into tough time. I told you this at the beginning of the show. We told you about the fact that yes, Corona has been a hard hit on many people's lives.
Yeah.
And we totally acknowledge that part of it. But at the same time, we also should look at and appreciate things around, the small things around us. And that kid, whatever you talked about, with that wonderful, that just such a small gesture. Can you imagine how much of an impact it would be on the babysitter who actually had so much of an impact on their life?
yeah,
Right?
yeah.
And now actually it's so inspiring to think of that kind of thing. A kid could do it, why can't we do it, is what we think, right?
Yeah, and you know what? People from any single corner of the country, little small acts of maximus, like for instance, when New York was being ravaged by the coronavirus, even now they have the third wave, whatever's happening now. But when Governor Andrew Cuomo was struggling, right? He was literally struggling with what was going on in New York, and they didn't have enough N95 masks, right?
Yeah.
So one farmer in Kansas, Panajan, whose wife was also sick, but he had a spare N95 mask. He sent one spare N95 to Governor Andrew Cuomo and said that please it along to a doctor or nurse who can use it to save lives. For us, we may not think about it, but the fact that this one N95 mask could have, I know, I'm not kidding you, but I know personally, right? At Pragnya, some of our the parents of kids, some of them are social workers, working as lab techs and people who actually do the testing and everything. They're also the first line of defense, right? They're the people who are most exposed to it, right?
Yeah.
They had to recycle their masks, their N95 masks, do you know how many weeks in a row, Altu Baba, they didn't have other protective PPE till it became available to them. They had to recycle their masks as well. So who knows how far this one mask could have gone. So there are good things that came out of it, because people were able to delve deeper their souls and their conscience and bring out beautiful things that could. It was humanity at its best, is what Governor Andrew Cuomo called it, right?
Very true, very true. And of course, Bhajan, today, if you was a call here and share with us one positive thought of the year which you came up with, I don't know, like that you started actually coming to Geetmala more often, got to talk to us more often.
Yeah.
Smile a little if you call possible, laugh a little when you actually came and talked to us on air by giving us a call on 408-912-2479, filling you with ideas. I know, Bhajan, yes, I am.
Yeah.
वो एक टुकड़ा धूप के लिए क्या क्या करो, right? It's a beautiful
Exactly.
song for a movie called Thappad, which actually was definitely a good movie to watch. If you haven't watched it, watch it. Tapsi Pannu's done a good job in this movie, at least.
All of them have acted in this
Yeah.
particular movie.
It's a movie called Thappad. Raghav Chaitanya's. Anurag Saikia.
टूट के हम दोनों में जो बचा वो कम सा है, एक टुकड़ा धूप का अंदर अंदर मन सा है, एक धागे में है उलझे यूं के बुनते बुनते खुल गए, हम थे लिखे.
A beautiful song from the movie Thappad, Bandhujan. We'll continue the song right after this. Let's go to our Bandhu. We are asking you, tell us about something memorable. If there was even one single memorable moment for you in 2020, hold on to it and share it with us. 49122479. Hi, welcome, Pam Pam. Konaji?
Hello, Pam Pam.
Hi, Soma. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Wonderful, Soma. Wonderful. Thank you so much for calling us. So, bataiye, Soma ji, what do you think? Memorable moment of yours in 2020?
I have basically two memorable moments of this year.
Okay.
One is recently Gomasha's birthday. That you guys made it a blast. And the second thing is for you both to be staying there with me when I was having the hardest part of my life. Thank you very much for being there for us every time.
Oh, I thought you were going to be more specific and say when you made the cup of hot chai for me.
What the hell is that, Baba? But these two are more memorable for me.
I know.
Absolutely. And thank you, Soma. I mean, we are glad that you brought us into your life at
Yeah.
that point.
Yes.
And, we're glad to have been there for you. What's a bun? We cannot be there during. No, seriously, right?
No, see, I was told engrossed what you were saying.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, yeah, it. Thank you for calling, because we know how hard this year has been for you.
Yes, I know.
And it never gets easy, especially when it's a loss of a parent. It's very, very hard. And having been there, sort of experienced it, we felt that it's important that we need to be there for our brothers who are experiencing loss, because one of the biggest things in life is is the loss. When you're born, you have to go one day, but then it's really hard for us to come to terms with it, especially when it's with a loved one. So we really, really appreciate the fact that you took you thought enough of us to bring us into your life, and and included us in all the moments, happy, okay, and at the same time
Tough times.
really tough times. So we're glad that we were able to be there for you. So and we'll
Thank you
always-
very much for being there and making us your part of life, actually.
You already are. The moment you listen to us, you become part of our life, unfortunately. Once a bandhu, always a bandhu, right?
Both ways.
And yes, and every time you come to studio, you can ask me. I make wonderful chai there.
Oh God, Alto, you and your chai.
God, I didn't say it. She talked about a chai.
Definitely, Alto Baba, you did not post that on Facebook, but I tell it to the whole Bay Area that Alto Baba makes the best chai in the world.
Thank you.
And he gave me with all those प्यार and love, affection, सब कुछ मिला के emotional drama के साथ सब कुछ मिला के दिया था. Really a special moment.
That you'll remember your life, right?
Has done it for me.
Yeah, but thank you so much, Soma, for calling in today as well. And again, yeah, all the very best. And we're here with you anytime you want us to be.
Yes, absolutely. And it's really wonderful because Baba Moshai, for me, one of the most memorable moments, right, this year, I will share this with you, is, Banijan, those of you listen to our, Soma, stay on the line because I'm going to share this about Baba Moshai.
So she's going to be taking a long time to what she's saying.
No.
Pull up a chair, sit down.
I'm going to say that.
Make us a cup of coffee, something like that. Go on, continue.
Will you be quiet, Alto Baba?
Okay, fine. She's getting emotional right now.
I did get emotional because there was something he said. Maybe it went in passing for some people. I don't know if you paid attention to it or not,
I
Alto
always
Baba.
paid attention to it.
But Baba Moshai said, एक बर्थडे का जो एक्साइटमेंट है वो मेरे को समझ में था जब मैं मीडिया महिमा का बंधु बना.
Yeah.
So, and that was so overwhelming for me to hear. He actually said that. He said, I understood the excitement and the wonderful nature of having a birthday and how to celebrate it, how to make you feel special, makes us having you feel special through after he came into Media Mahima. And it's a huge thing. It was a huge compliment for us when he actually said that.
And the best part, Faltwani, is the fact that you heard it this time. He's been consistent.
Yeah.
And he's constantly telling that to us every time he meets us at a birthday celebration. In fact, even last year he talked about the same thing.
Yeah.
And that's wonderful. And thank you so much for Baba Moshai as well for being part of our team. Again, Musama ji, you're getting me. She's crying, I suppose. Soma, wipe your tears off, Soma.
Yeah.
We love you, Soma. Soma, it's okay to cry.
हमेशा है, don't worry.
Hey, Soma, it's always okay to cry. It's fine. I keep asking people to cry more often because it moisturizes your eyes also.
Yeah. And Soma, thank you so much for calling in and sharing this with us. Yeah, really means a lot to us. Thank you. Love you. Thank you so much. And we'll always be there for you.
Yeah. And the chai also will be ready there. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sure, definitely. Thank you. Bye.
Keep smiling, Soma. Thank you so much. Namaskar, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के memorable Mondays में. Who's this? Hi, Pam Pam.
Pam Pam, how are you?
Oh my God, Falguni जी कैसे हैं आप? Oh my God, what is this? Falguni जी आज तो यार बारिश होने वाली है.
I know, इतने दिनों के बाद फाल्गुनी जी.
I know. No, मगर आज जो आपका जो मैसेज है शाम के वक्त इतने बिजी रहते हैं ना काम करते करते आपका रेडियो सुनते मगर आज तो रोका नहीं गया. मैंने आज तो कॉल करना ही पड़ेगा. सच ए नाइस टॉपिक. एवरी डे आप तो अच्छे नाइस टॉपिक लाते हो मगर टुडे इज अ रियली ब्यूटीफुल टॉपिक एंड व्हेन यू आस्क अबाउट द ब्यूटीफुल moments I was thinking about.
Yeah,
exactly.
So I think we all have been through times which we pass this, Falguni, but again, focusing on the positive, very interesting. And please share with us what you want to say about the memorable moment of 2020.
मेमोरी मोमेंट सबसे पहले तो मुझे आपको रानी पाल्टू बाबा को खूब थैंक्स बोलना है कि आपने हमें ये प्लेटफॉर्म देके कहां से कहां उठा लिया. और मेरी ये साल की मेरी सबसे मेमोरेबल मोमेंट एंड आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू यू गाइस when my mom passed away and that you just dedicate the show to her. जो जहाँ भी होगी वहाँ भी होगी आपको constantly आपको blessing देती होगी. और that was the most memorable moment, even though I was so sad. I feel so good about you. You guys are great.
No. Actually, I'll tell you one thing. इसमें हमारी selfish interest थी because she actually gave us memorable moments when she came to our show.
Yeah.
इसीलिए हमने बोला वो हमारी सुलू है.
हाँ.
And it actually was true in every aspect of because so much she came. Baduja, if you do not know that, Falgunji's mom was a superstar who came to our show twice.
Yes.
Last year when she could make it.
Yeah.
And she gave us some wonderful memories to live by. So thank you so much for that one. Thank you for bringing her into
our life. Thank you for calling her. You कौन बोलता है इतने 90 years की old people कौन इतना importance देता है. एक आप दोनों ही है जिसने मेरी mom को इतनी memorable and she was so happy before she passed her. So it was my memorable moment when you just showed to my mom.
Oh, thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you so much, Falguni ji, and thank you for bringing your whole family into into not only Media Mahima but also into Pragnya, and also for bringing us into your family.
Yep.
More than anything else, with you we got another extended family. We got a whole bunch of bandhus whom we Jeshta Krishna, Kemcho, Eid Fafra.
Yes. And we can talk about Bidas
Yeah.
with Deepak ji.
Yeah. Thank you so much for being such an integral part of our life. Thank you so much, Falguni ji, for calling in and sharing as well.
Thank
Truly
you.
appreciate it.
We have
Thank
one more
you.
call waiting line. Father, give it to them, please.
Yeah.
Namaskar. आपका memorable Mondays में who's this? Hi.
Pam.
पापा मैडम जी कैसे हैं आप? मैडम जी क्या
बहुत
हुआ?
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया।
आपकी आवाज में थोड़ा इमोशनल हो रही है क्या? आप भी रोने वाले हो? नहीं
मैं तो रोके ही हटी हूँ।
अरे नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं, मतलब इमोशनल। हाँ बोलो।
एक्चुअली आई जस्ट ट्यून इन, अभी मैं ऑफिस के वर्क पे हटी थी तो देखा कि आज तो कोलकाता का मैसेज, फाल्तू का मैसेज देखा। तो बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक, और आई एम वॉकिंग तो पता नहीं माई आई कैन यू गाइस हियर?
Yes, we can very clearly.
ओके या सो वेरी नाइस टॉपिक, ये तो बहुत अच्छा आपने किया। तो आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं मेरे से?
हाँ जी, तो 2020 कुछ बहुत लोग कहते बहुत ही ख़राब साल है, बहुत everything. I wish we can erase 2020 from our lives, but we believe that in every situation there will be some what do you call a ray of hope, so to speak. या कुछ अच्छे moments भी रहे होंगे, तो आपके लिए आज हम लोग उस पे फोकस कर रहे हैं।
I agree with you.
Yeah.
2020 जैसा भी था, सबसे पहले तो नवंबर 3rd was the best, क्योंकि जो बाइडेन जी आगे हैं, तो मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी कि कौन गया तो क्यों बुरा है, बट आई थिंक 2020 is the best for that. ये तो हो गया जनरल, राइट?
Okay.
और उसके बाद मैं आपको अपना पर्सनल बताती हूँ, मेरे लिए 2020 क्यों इतना बुरा के साथ साथ अच्छा भी बहुत रहा है।
हाँ.
बिकॉज अभी तो 2020 स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ था,
हाँ.
तो लाइफ में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आनी शुरू हो गई थी अक्टूबर नवंबर में ही।
Yeah.
बट 2020 what I felt is whether you have your family members here or not, when you are in need of it, our bandhus at Aatu Faltu and the other bandhus are always with you. They support you so much. मैंने ये फील ही नहीं किया कि मेरी यहाँ पे क्लोज फैमिली नहीं रहती है, बाय माई सेल्फ है, कोई पेरेंट्स की तरफ से कोई सिबलिंग यहाँ नहीं है। लेकिन when I suffered time and I had to go to the hospital, and during this pandemic, nobody can visit you. But hats off to you guys. Both of you came running to my house. You took time and took me to the hospital, came back after your show, brought me back after the show. I can't forget all those days. You guys are wonderful.
Hey,
I really get emotional.
Thank you so
And,
much.
and you guys are doing a wonderful job because, during this time, this 2020, nobody can visit anybody. We cannot celebrate our birthdays. We could not celebrate festival. But because of you, both of you, you didn't care about your health. You didn't care about anything. But you went to each and every Bandhu's house on their birthday. Just putting yourself in kind of a risk. But with all those, I know, precautions, you made other people laugh and happy. Oh my goodness, this is something unbelievable.
No, Anji, I'll tell you one thing.
Unimaginable.
No, thank you for that. In fact, I'll tell you one thing. I want to give a disclaimer to everybody out there. Yes, we did do all those things, but we were keeping very careful. We were getting our tests done. We were making sure we were wearing PPEs appropriately, masking ourselves, maintaining physical distancing.
I know that.
Yeah, so that's something which we made sure we were careful about our health and also about our bandhu's health.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's very important also. Yeah.
But
But still, and then all these bandhus during those days when we were in hospital, we were, both of us, my husband and myself, both of us, we were unable to do anything. All the bandus brought food every day, every single day, and my food was full. That I really full of gratitude. I can't even say. I don't have enough words to, show my gratitude to.
Anarji,
for these bandus.
you do the same thing, and you've done it many times also. So it is just the way universe giving it back to you in terms of saying that don't worry, we're there, and that's exactly what you are also, Anarji, because you also one of our star bandhus, right?
Well, not just a bandhu. For us, you make every moment with us memorable, and
Yeah.
because for us, every Friday we look forward to it because we get to eat sandwich or the parathas
That's true.
or the
Chai.
egg rolls
Don't
or the
forget chai.
chai.
Yeah.
Or and when you don't come, it's like we're like, oh my god, it's
I know. Yeah, my heart suddenly sinks to my stomach
Yeah.
because stomach is hungry.
Yeah,
Eat up the
yeah,
heart
sure.
also.
Sure.
No, but just the fact that we know even on our Valentine event and even when you were struggling,
Yeah.
you had there was even for our Dingchak Dandiya event, when you had fallen, you were bruised and hurt the previous night. You showed up the next day just because you wanted to be there for our Pragnya kids and Pragnya families, to show them that there are people who care about them. So it runs in the family, like we say. So
Yeah.
well, thank you so much for
But yeah, really, so only these days, during this year only, you came to know, how everyone is so connected and so close to each other. पहले इतना पता नहीं लगता था, because जो भी होता था मिलते थे, just like that.
Yeah.
But अब you guys, especially Faltu Rani, my goodness, I just go to studio only Fridays. I देखती हूँ कि how you are so involved with this Pragnya kids, and making them dance and on the Zoom only. Yeah, it's a Zoom meeting, but each and every Friday I see you are so involved and kids are so happy. God bless you. I think these kids are so happy about that. So thank you so much for doing that. And I think the kids' parents, they send so many, good wishes and thanks. And oh my goodness, I see all the messages from them that, very happy. They are really enjoying. They don't even eating home by themselves, and they're saying, and I think you lost weight so much during this pandemic because of that exercises you're doing every Thursday
That
and
is
Friday.
true. That's true. That's what she does. Yeah,
Exactly.
wonderful. That's good exercise for her. Very nice.
Oh, Anaji, you're mocking me. Okay, Altu Mama lost all the weight. I do all the dancing and he loses the weight.
The thing is, Madhurani, you just feel that because whenever you look at the mirror, you look at your face, right? You've not lost the head weight. You only lost your body weight.
Rascal.
Okay. Anyway, तो अरे क्या यार रुला हो गया मेरे क्या? I'm only crying.
No,
You know me, I'm an emotional guy, right?
I'm walking and I'm really crying.
Anarji, don't cry. Don't cry. Don't
Thank
cry.
you.
It'll fog up the glasses and all. Don't
Thank
cry.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Be there for us. I really appreciate and thank you.
Thank you so much. Love you, sir. Thank you so much, Anaji. Thank you so much for those kind words.
And walk safely, please.
Yes.
Very important. Hey, what were you laughing? Well, anyway, Faltan, I'll tell you what. It was such a sweet thing for them to say. I really appreciate it. In fact, it's back at you. You guys are really awesome. You guys have actually been made as a part of your life. So
Right, Bandhujan.
it's just that appreciating the small things in life, and we appreciate everything what you guys have done in our lives. And that's why we say, today's show should have been Memorable Mondays only. That's why we call it Memorable Mondays. 2020 might have been really bad for many people. For us also, it's been hard. But at the same time, we can find those small things which actually make it a lot easier to digest the bad things. Let's play this song, but I got to wipe my tears off. That's why I felt bad. Aankhein namsi hogi Fatrani. Hey, hasti kyun re? I'm an emotional guy. What? आपका बजा. Today is going to be a very interesting day, Faltwani.
It's a memorable day for us also, Banjan.
Memorable day for us, and one more very special.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
I don't know the person there on air right now. Hi. Hello.
हेलो.
हाँ, कैसे हैं मीनाक्षी जी?
एकदम बढ़िया. आप बताइए कैसे हैं?
We actually called to actually wish you a half birthday.
हाँ,
हाफ बर्थडे.
Other half आप है ना?
आपके अदर हाफ आप है ना?
कहाँ पे वो?
हाँ तो फुल बर्थडे टू मिस्टर गॉड एंड हाफ बर्थडे टू मी, राइट?
अच्छा कहाँ पे है वो? कहाँ पे?
हाँ, 8 मिनट.
डिस्टर्ब करो. Hey, come on, life has got to be disturbed. Only.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, what's up?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Varun
Varun.
ji.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
कैसे हैं आप? How's everything?
बस all good.
Very good. केक वेक
आप
काटा कि
बताओ?
नहीं? केक वेक काटा कि नहीं?
हाँ, अभी बाहर से डिनर करके आ रहे हैं. केक
अरे
तो
वाह!
अब घर जाके काटेंगे.
अरे केक है या मामनी नहीं है? I don't know. I don't want to ruin the surprise though.
Yeah.
नहीं केक है.
नहीं actually हम लोग ना we actually decided to surprise you some other but she identified my name. मेरा voice is so recognizable. I don't
हम
know.
एक्चुअली आपको फोन करके कुछ और लाइक कि हम आपको अफ्रीकन इनहेरिटेंस मिला है ऐसे कुछ
Yeah,
करके.
we were going to spam call you, but anyways, unfortunately she ruined it.
She recognized Albaba's voice.
I can't help it.
Oh,
but yeah. Hey, so is she there with us? Or are you on car phone, something like that?
Is that?
Are you on a speaker phone where even she can hear
Yeah,
us?
yeah. Yeah, I'm on a speaker on the speaker. Yeah.
Hello.
Now speaker is off.
हाँ मीनाक्षी जी. Hello, क्या हंस रहे हो? क्या कर रहे
Yeah,
हो?
now speaker is off.
हाँ,
Yeah.
speakers off की. नहीं, on करो.
ऑन करो, ऑन
Hey,
करो.
on करो.
On
is
करूँ?
important.
Okay,
हाँ.
okay, on करूँ. Okay, wait.
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ तो बंदजान आज मेमोरेबल इस वजह से है क्योंकि ये हमारी बंधु है मीनाक्षी जी जो हमारी बंधु बनी थैंक्स टू द पैंडेमिक. इनसे हम कभी नहीं मिलते अगर पैंडेमिक नहीं होता.
Yes, yeah, Varun ji, yeah, even we wouldn't have met Varun ji also had you not married him.
Yeah, I know. We wouldn't have Varun ji had he not been her silent supporter or shy supporter during Geetmala.
No, most importantly, we wouldn't have met Varun had she not, had he not romanced her in the
Oh,
love
that's
seat.
true. In that love seat.
Yeah,
Huh.
yeah. Very good. So, actually, Meenakshi, you wanted to say something to him on air, right?
Yeah, you have to say so. You said to share something on air, right?
क्या भूल गए मीनाक्षी जी?
To him?
हाँ.
Yeah.
वाह.
वो उनके साथ तो मैंने ऑलरेडी शेयर कर दिया.
कोई बात नहीं ऑन एयर शेयर करो.
हाँ.
ये वो सिचुएशन है जहाँ पे ना अभी तो आप
एक मिनट वो सब शेयर मत करो अच्छा कुछ शेयर करो. वो सब जो भी करना कर लो वहाँ पे doesn't matter. आप तो हस्बैंड वाइफ हो. लेकिन over here for people you want what?
क्या बात कर
I
रहे
was
हैं?
talking about sharing cup of coffee or tea. फालतू आपके
हाँ तो बताइए आप क्या शेयर करना चाहती हैं?
उनके बारे में क्या शेयर कर सरप्राइज लगा. I don't know what to say. I'm laughing.
वरुण जी उन्होंने आपको आपके साथ शेयर किया क्या?
हाँ वरुण
हाँ
जी
व्हाट्सएप पे स्टेटस डाला था.
स्टेटस
स्टेटस नहीं
ना
आपको
नहीं, वो स्पेशल स्टेटस डाला था. मैंने हर पिक्चर के साथ एक गाना डेडिकेट किया था उन्हें. अभी भी किया इस व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस पे.
ओह वाओ क्या गाना डेडिकेट
हाँ
किया?
तो 30 के अराउंड पिक्चर्स डाली थी और हर पिक्चर के साथ एक गाना डेडिकेट किया.
अच्छा इस साल में जो फिल्म आया कौन सा डेडिकेट करते हो उनके लिए? इस साल में जो फिल्म आया आज का ये साल में
कौन सा है वो अभी तो नहीं.
अरे वाह इसके बाद सोचा नहीं 2020 में डेडिकेशन.
कौन सा है?
मैं उन्हीं से पूछ रही हूँ कि कौन सी मूवी पसंद है.
लेकिन अब
अरे वो वाला
चल कोई नहीं.
कितनी तितलियां वो जो वाला है वो एल्बम सॉन्ग. अरे वो अच्छा है.
मूवी का नाम पूछ रहे हैं वो. हाँ तो इस बार एज सच तो बहुत अच्छी कोई मूवी आई नहीं है.
हाँ क्या?
बट एक सॉन्ग है जो हमेशा मेरे ऊपर फिट करती रहती है.
कौन सी वाली बताइए.
मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. ये इसको याद आ गया यही बताएगी.
नहीं मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
क्या
मैं तो बहुत सारे गाने डेडिकेट करती रहती हूँ.
अरे वरुण जी मुझे ना एक ही गाना याद आपका डायनामिक देखे मुझे एक ही याद गाना जो आप देख रहे हो.
अच्छा कौन सा वाला?
चमनप्राश वाला गाना.
च्यवनप्राश. ओ तेरे छुपे हुए च्यवनप्राश.
नहीं
क्या नहीं?
वरुण जी आपके लिए स्पेसिफिक डेडिकेशन वो लगेगा आज।
यस, आज वही लगेगा।
आपकी दो चॉइसेस, चलो ठीक है, हम आपको जबरदस्ती नहीं करेंगे, मतलब वैसे वाली जबरदस्ती नहीं। आपके दो चॉइसेस है। एक तो आप बोल सकते हो तेरे ठुमके मीनाक्षी मेरा मन तरसा वो है, और दूसरी चीज तेरे चुम्मे में च्यवनप्राश है। कौन सा चाहिए आपको?
माय वोट इज फॉर लैटर।
पहले वाला चाहिए।
पहले वाला सर, च्यवनप्राश न्यूट्रिशियस है भाई।
नहीं वो मैं च्यवनप्राश खाता नहीं हूँ।
अच्छा ओके ठीक है, ठुमके चलेगा।
हाँ ठीक है, वो लगा। लेकिन मीनाक्षी जी आप इतनी इजीली छूटने वाली नहीं है, अभी आपको बताना है। हाँ अभी बताओ, ऑनर आपको बताना है आपके हस्बैंड को उनके बर्थडे पे क्या बोलना चाहती हैं आप?
Something memorable what he did this year.
Yes.
Which you want to say, अरे वाह वरुण, you're like तेरा लाइफ बन गया।
हाँ।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ मेमोरेबल नहीं करा। हाँ एक काम अच्छा
What?
मतलब गीत माला जब मैं अटेंड करती हूँ तो डिस्टर्ब नहीं करते हैं, वो सबसे अच्छा काम होता है।
Oh my God, how mean. Varun, I will tell you memorable thing, okay? Memorable thing is you actually beat her one of the contests on our radio.
Yes.
Remember that, Varun?
Yes.
Oh my God.
देखा, नहीं बताएंगी. Ladies not, they don't talk about all those things.
No, and he called
No,
back.
he didn't beat me up. We were equal at that competition.
No, actually beat you.
He beat you, clear. He got 12 songs, हमने that, and you were like 11 and a half.
Yeah.
ओके
इनका बर्थडे यार,
तो वो नहीं याद रखना चाहिए ना, मैं याद नहीं रखूंगी वो।
मीनाक्षी इनका बर्थडे यार, एक विन दे दो ना वहाँ पे। अरे कम ऑन मीनाक्षी, वन विन गिव इट टू हिम। आज बर्थडे उनका। हाँ
आप जीत गए थे गॉड।
हाँ अरे वेरी गुड वरुण जी, देखा सक्सेसफुल, वेरी गुड। तो आपके लिए डेफिनेटली गाना बजेगा मीनाक्षी, ओ सॉरी नो वरुण जी, आपके लिए गाना बजेगा।
हाँ बिल्कुल,
सपना चौधरी का।
तो मैजिक वर्ड्स बोलो दोनों एक दूसरे को जल्दी फटाफट।
1 2 3 गो।
मैजिक वर्ड। हाँ, व्हाट इज मैजिक वर्ड?
क्या?
I don't know.
I don't know. No, that's not the one.
That's not the one.
That is spiritual words.
Yeah. Come on, Varun ji, you can do this.
You can do it,
And
Varun ji.
Meenakshi, you can do this. Come
मीनाक्षी
on.
के अंदर जो है, आपका अंदर का जो भाव है, निकालो बाहर।
हाँ। आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकती हैं प्रियतम, ऐसे करके।
प्रियतमा, आप बोलते प्रियतमा।
अभी मैंने स्पीकर उनकी तरफ कर रखा है, अगर वो बोलेंगे तो मैं रिप्लाई कर दूंगी।
Come on वरुण, you can जल्दी बोल दो।
जल्दी।
Come on वरुण।
बोल सकते हो।
He's really shy. He's not safe.
वरुण जी वेरी सिंपल है। ए मेरे कच्चे पत्ते, तू मेरी मंदी मेरी, और या मेरी बप्पू की माँ, या कुछ whatever. I love you very much रे। या मैं
Keep
तुमसे।
it simple वरुण, जैसे darling I love you.
हाँ।
Come on.
हाँ सिंपल बोल दो।
ठीक है।
हाँ बोलो। Come on
ठीक है,
वरुण।
डार्लिंग, I love you.
I love you too.
नहीं ये सही नहीं बोला।
नहीं वो मेरे लिए बोलो ऑलरेडी। अभी उनको
आप
बोलो।
मुझे रोज बोलते हो, वो बोल के बोलो।
ओए होए।
आप मुझे।
पता नहीं।
Come on.
Come on, you can do it वरुण। वरुण come on.
उन्होंने बोल दिया, वो उन्होंने बस धीरे से बोल दिया।
ओए होए। ये रहा, ये फोन की चक्कर में कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे।
हमारा बच्चा हमारे साथ में है।
हाँ ठीक है।
तो क्या हुआ? हमने क्या बोला? कौन सा वाला? कौन सा गाना?
हाँ ये वाला।
कौन सा गाना बताओ? हाँ कौन सा गाना बोल रहे हैं? He's saying which song?
नहीं, he's not saying anything.
Okay,
He's
fine.
just trying to divert the topic.
Yeah, he doesn't know. We're not divertible.
And Meenakshi,
what are you supposed to say?
मैं तो चिल्ला के बोल सकती हूँ, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती।
बोलो।
नहीं बोलने में शायद शर्म आती है।
नहीं बोलो प्लीज, लोअर द विंडो एंड बोलो। नहीं ठंड रहेगा, नहीं लीव इट क्लोज्ड।
हाँ बोलो।
I love you God साहब।
ओए होए।
Oh, so sweet. So sweet.
तो मीनाक्षी जी, थैंक यू सो मच, आपने हमारा फोन उठाया।
हाँ।
गौर साहब, विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
थैंक यू कि आपने हमें याद किया और विश करा। थैंक यू सो मच। आप दोनों को बहुत अच्छे से पता है कि कैसे चीजों, छोटी सी चीजों को कितना स्पेशल बनाया जा सकता है किसी दूसरे के लिए। तो आप दोनों एक्सपर्ट हो उसमें। सो थैंक यू सो मच कि लोग हमारी जिंदगी में आए।
बस कर, पकड़ी लाएगी क्या?
हाँ यही मोटिव बाबा, आज से रोके दिखा दो।
मैं तो रोज रोता हूँ, आज जो मेरे साथ है इसलिए। क्या
मेरे वजह से रोता है?
हाँ तो रोता हूँ ना, एक्सपीरियंस आती है मुझे ना।
अभी ना मैं सच्ची में तेरे को रीजन दूंगी रोने के लिए।
रीजन कुछ नहीं, नो सीजन फॉर रीजन, ओके। हे बट हैव अ नाइस वन गाइस, एंड ऑफ कोर्स बच्चे को सुला देना, बाद में आप गाना गा लेना, ओके।
ड्यूएट। हाँ, ये सपना चौधरी के सपने मत देखना सर,
प्लीज। हाँ, चमा प्लस खाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
हाँ, thank you so much, Varun ji. I'm going out to you. Meenakshi, tune into the app and you can listen to it. Here you go.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday again.
Bye.
आजा आजा तुझे सैर करा दूं, सैर करा के फिर ठुमका लगा दूं। मेरे ठुमके में मेरे होठों में मेरी आंखों में लगा है सबका चैन।
मेरा ठुमके सब चौधरी, मेरा मन सावैसा, तेरे ठुमके सपना चौधरी, मेरा मन तरसावैसा, तेरे ठुमके सपना चौधरी, मेरा मन तरसावैसा, जाट के दिल के भीतर तू क्यों आग लगावैसा, जाट के दिल के भीतर तू क्यों आग लगावैसा।
हेलो नमस्कार, आपका
Sorry.
खबरदार। हेलो नमस्कार, वेलकम टू मेमोरेबल मंडेज।
पहचान कर।
Oh my God, सपना क्या बना छन?
बहुत बढ़िया, तुम लोग कैसे हो?
हम तो फर्स्ट क्लास है यार। आप बताओ आज कैसे आपको रॉन्ग नंबर लग गया?
नहीं, बहुत दिनों से मतलब सोच रहा था कि कॉल कर, लेकिन हो नहीं पाया, लेकिन आज अचानक मन किया तो कॉल कर लिया।
नहीं, अचानक आपका गाना लग गया तो कॉल किया आपने, मुझे मालूम है। सपना चौधरी लगा ना। वाह, आपका मेरा टेस्ट कितना मिलता है। हाँ बोलो।
सपना सोपन सब तो काफी फेमस होता है।
मालूम था मुझे, ऐसे सोपना।
हाँ, तो बाबा बहुत शायद बताइए
मेमोरेबल मंडेज में ये साल में क्या मेमोरेबल था आपको जो याद आ गया?
मेमोरेबल तो मतलब बहुत सारे थे एक्चुअली। जैसे सिचुएशन जा रहा था, बट द बेस्ट पार्ट इज how to have the communication going, right? Even though you have all those challenges, but वो एक art है actually कि even though इतना tight situation में कैसे communication continue करना है with your friends and family, and उसके लिए जो भी कुछ मतलब हो सके तो करना चाहिए. So that is the main part I got it. Even though social thing we have to maintain, but social distancing should not be a barrier to maintain the communication basically. That is the main part I got from this whole year.
Wonderful. And
yes, for that, thank you guys, because you guys took the initiative. Initially, we used to have the Geet Gata Chal in our studio,
Right.
but later we couldn't do that because of the rules and regulations. But still, we got the same entertainment with more fun.
Yeah.
Because of you guys.
Yep.
And because of the technology.
Thank you for giving
very
us
much for
credit.
that.
Thank you for giving us credit, but no, it's actually you guys who actually made it happen. हम तो
Yes.
बस जरिया थे. You guys are making it happen every week, by the way, and
Every
thank you for
Saturday.
doing that.
Yeah.
Actually,
Thank you for taking also the lead on it, Swapanda. And इससे थोड़ी देर पहले आपकी अदर से बात हुई थी जिन्होंने बताया कि उनके लिए क्या memorable moments थे. तो
हाँ, हमने तो उनको रुला दिया था, एकदम दिया था.
हाँ, but you know.
मैं खड़े होके उसको टिश्यू दे रहा था.
हाँ, मालूम था, मुझे मालूम था, ऐसे कुछ होने वाला था.
हाँ, तो yeah, it is actually you made some comments during जब आपका बर्थडे हुआ तो आपने कुछ बोला जो
जो आप हर बर्थडे बोलते, लेकिन ये इसने नोटिस नहीं किया, लेकिन ये साल नोटिस कर लिया उसने.
नहीं उन्होंने बोला जो completely unsolicited था. It wasn't like
even that time was unsolicited only.
अबे हम लोग बोलते हैं स्पीच ये बाद में उन्होंने एक और कमेंट ऐसे किया.
हाँ बाबा, लेकिन उससे स्पीच से पहले उन्होंने बताया था. Okay, no, it doesn't matter. I am talking for you, Sabanda.
लेकिन जो कुछ मैंने बोला वो more than 100% true actually.
Oh, thank you so much.
Not that, but के मैंने कुछ बोला वो बिल्कुल सही है. And not only me, with all the bandhus जो हमारे मीडिया महिमा के अंदर है और बाहर भी है, जो भी है वो मतलब क्लोज है या दूर है, सबके लिए तुम लोग सोचते हो एंड करते हो. दैट इज अ ग्रेट पार्ट एक्चुअली. थैंक यू फॉर दैट.
Thank you so much, and thank you for calling us today and sharing that memorable part of this year. A lot of things to learn from, and of course we come to the close of our show already.
Yeah.
And thank you, Vamushai, for calling.
Thank you so much
Thank you
and making
very
it a
much.
memorable show. Thank you so much for calling in. And of course, Banijan, indeed, if you noticed one thing that came across from all the people who called, right, Altu Baba, we've had accidents that happen. We've losses. We've losses that really can't even begin to explain how unmountable those losses are. लेकिन जैसे वो एक टुकड़ा धूप का अंदर अंदर नमसा है, वो है. फिर भी we hold on to that ray of sunshine and we hold on to the happy moments. We don't let the grief eclipse smiles. And like our Mahima ji say, we need to smile through the tears. I think there's another bandhu calling in. Do we have time, Altu?
We always make time for that. Let's go.
Pam Pam, कौन है जी?
Pam 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 pam.
Hi Deepa, how are you
मेरा
doing?
ये दुरुस्त है.
Hi दीपा, कैसी है?
कैसे Deepa?
ठीक हो.
अरे वाह, टीकू
I'm
टीकू
just
मतलब क्या?
waiting for this year to end.
Hey, hello. What are you saying? I mean, nothing positive came out of it, is it? You met us more often in the week and all.
I know.
What,
अरे
Deepa?
वो that made me pull through. Yeah, survival हो गया. You know, you guys helped a lot.
No,
No doubt
we
in
didn't.
that.
We didn't help. We were just there to actually make your life a little more miserable.
वो Altu Baba वो तो.
I know. I like to rub it in whenever people support Trump blindly. It's okay.
Oh, that was a memorable part for me. I forgot to mention.
Right, rubbing it in, right?
No. That was a memorable part for me. I actually saw I took on a lot of pangas
Yeah, that's
with a
cheated.
lot of people.
Hey, but Deepa,
ये फालतू रानी पंगा मूवी देख के बहुत इम्प्रेस होगी. सबसे पंगा ले ले.
पूरा बिंदास,
You know-
बिंदास लेने का.
you know when I think about you, Deepa, and think about you and Faltoni, I remember that song only.
Which
Panga
one?
song.
Really?
I'm going to end today's show with only that song dedicated to you and Deepa Faltoni.
What?
Yeah, you guys take Panga. That's very nice.
Oh my God.
Deepa, you wanted to share something today, or you just wanted to say, like, Alto, but you're always wrong?
ये आज क्या रॉन्ग राइट का ये नहीं है ना टॉपिक आज.
अच्छा?
हाँ, नहीं लेकिन
अरे
इससे
wrong
पूछो.
right-
Memorable.
अरे कोई राइट देखो अल्तु बाबा, एक बंदा राइट है तभी तो दूसरा बंदा रॉन्ग.
नहीं, एक बंदा राइट है तो दूसरा बंदा लेफ्ट रहेगा ना. But the point is, नहीं, सुनो. नहीं, मेरे बात.
एग्जिस्टेंस होना जरूरी है.
अरे-
अगर राइट के बिना रॉन्ग का
अरे
कोई
वाह,
वजूद
ये
नहीं है,
फिर-
रॉन्ग के बिना राइट का कुछ नहीं.
So, Deepa, tell me one thing about this particular 2020. Something positive. I know it's a tough time. We all have gone through it. I know.
We know it's
We
been
know
a rough year for you
also
too.
personally. But if you were to say, like, something positive which came out of the year, what would that be, Deepa? What would you say to people who actually are simply in the same boat as what you are? About something, yeah.
पॉजिटिव यानी बच्चों के साथ बच्चे मतलब रेस्टेड थे घर पे. आई नो दे मिस स्कूल लेकिन दे एंजॉयड अ लॉट.
But for you, what is positive, Deepa?
This year,
What
something.
helped you pull
I
along?
could see I could spend more time with kids.
Okay.
That's a point and और I could see lot of changes. मतलब टाइम घर के अंदर बच्चों के साथ and like they get hot meals and that way they grew faster. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, पता नहीं.
Wow. Wonderful. I don't know what's positive for me.
I want to say something for Deepa. What's one memorable thing that you got a bichri hui sister
Yeah, it's true.
through the bandutva?
Oh yeah, that is true. Yeah.
Yeah, and you got.
We got so many connection एकदम और भी तगड़ा हो गया and like we met every Saturday.
Yeah.
So many musical evenings,
Yeah.
beautiful evenings, and we will meet Meenakshi. The biggest, biggest plus point of the year.
Yeah, and second thing is you also upgraded your taste, right? Oh no, she still likes Trump. I'm sorry. No, it's okay. We'll work on it. It's a long-term project actually.
वो अलग topic है बाबा, वो पूरा अलग topic.
Arey, but Deepa, wasn't it fun? Like you and me are like enne shigekai.
Let me tell you one thing, Altu Baba. One memorable thing for me.
Yeah.
With regard to Deepa, got a solid supporter
That's true.
in Deepa
To fight
through
me.
this year, through 2020. Yeah, against Altu Baba. So I got somebody who would back me up.
Yeah.
Right, Deepa?
हाँ.
Yes, yes.
And Deepa, you got...
Except when it comes to Trump.
बहुत लोग चाहिए, तभी चुप बैठे, अभी तभी चुप मुश्किल.
Deepa, ले तू पंगा ले मेरे से Deepa, कुलब पंगा ले. This song going out, you thank us
पंगे में ही मजा है.
I know Deepa, पंगे में मजा तो इसलिए तो हम लोग ऑन एयर है ना.
जिंदगी फीकी पड़ जाएगी.
I know
Correct,
Deepa, I agree
exactly.
with you. इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ लो पंगा लो हमसे. I want you to take पंगा with me.
Yeah.
That challenge your traditional thought.
अरे dedicated a song to you on Saturday. तुम लोग नहीं थे, हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे 90s के गाने गाए.
हाँ.
And
इसलिए हम लोग नहीं थे ना.
नहीं.
समझा करो डार्लिंग, समझा करो.
हाँ. बोलो.
और हर गाने को मैंने डेडिकेट कर दिया आपके नाम.
Thank you so much.
हाय.
जरूर उसमें कोई नागिन कुछ ना कुछ होगा.
मैं तेरी
दुश्मन
दुश्मन तो मेरा.
हाँ, मैं तेरी दुश्मन हो गया गाना.
मालूम था. But this is a song for you,
मुझे
Deepa.
मौका आया, मैंने वही गाना गाया.
Yeah, and by the way, Deepa, you and one advice for you and also Faltoni, don't stop taking take panga anywhere, ever possible. I am there behind you guys.
Oh, thank you, Altu Baba. Thank you, Deepa. Thank you so much for calling in and sharing and making this year another memorable year for us. Thank you so much. Despite all the tears, you so laughing with us. So we hope in some way we were helpful and supportive. So thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much. Take care. Love you. And of course, Aditi Shetty, thank you so much for that kind comment you posted on Facebook. She said, indeed, thank you Altu Baba and Faltu Rani for always being so entertaining and keeping the show on even through the pandemic. It has been a wonderful source of joy, happiness and entertainment for me personally. Thank you so much.
Aditi.
Really means a lot to us. And it was a memorable Monday for us to again, Bandhujan. Thank you so much for bringing us into your lives. We promise you that jab tak hai jaan, asans, ya paisa to be on air, we will come tomorrow and we'll be here with Good Morning Babe.
ले लेंगे पंगा बढ़ जाए दुनिया से या कोरोना वायरस से.
या डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प से.
वो हार गया, छोड़ो.
हाँ.
आवाजों से, समाजों से, बंधनों से, दुश्मनों से, बेईमानी से, मनमानी से, हर खिटखिट से, हर लिमिट से.
इसी के साथ बोलने वाले बेटे जान गुड नाइट, शब्बा खैर एंड अ प्यार भरा पंगा.
मंजिल का रास्ता कठिन पर किसी चिंता के बिन हमने जो रास्ता चुना.
जब जब हिम्मत दिखा तब ही मंजिल है पाई, फिर डर किस बात का.
हाँ खुल के सांस ले ले, हाँ खुल के जी ले हम.
नींद के अमृत की हर एक बूंद पी ले हम. जीवन हो अपना रंग बिरंगा, रंग बिरंगा.
पंगा ले पंगा, पंगा 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 ले पंगा. ले पंगा 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 ले पंगा. ले पंगा 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 ले पंगा.
Hi, this is Shankar.
Hi, this is Ehsan.
Hi, this is Lloyd. And you're listening to Radio D Hotties.